We're here at Temple College in Temple, Texas, installing a Waferline Pro Semiconductor Technician Training class and course for teaching semiconductor technicians how to create and work with wafers to support the semiconductor industry here in Central Texas. Behind me is a clean room facility, is a semiconductor training center that's going to be used to teach semiconductor technologies to local individuals here in Central Texas.
A clean room, just as it sounds, is a dedicated space which is devoid of particulates. And it's important for the semiconductor manufacturing process because the features that we're making to build these microcircuits are extremely tiny, much smaller than a red blood cell, much smaller than a virus. And so any piece of dust that would be present on the microcircuit would completely destroy it. So it has to be devoid of any particulates or any contamination.
We're proud to bring this kind of technology here to Texas, and we believe that it's an important discussion so that not only Temple, but other colleges within the region would be able to utilize this facility and help us and help this industry to create the numbers of skilled labor and skilled jobs that are required in order to fulfill just what's needed within this expansion from the CHIPS and Science Act.
It was really important for Temple College to have the latest in advanced manufacturing training and robotics and automation and semiconductor industry because Central Texas is truly at the hub of a lot of this growth with business and industry, and we want to make sure that we're training the next generation of workers, creating a strong talent pipeline. And so we wanted to make sure to have the best equipment and the best training programs in place to be able to help deliver trained employees to the workforce industry.
Here at Roots, we do have a very robust curriculum team that is dedicated to setting up lesson plans as well as supporting the teachers and students at the schools that we do provide our systems to. And this behind me is our brand new medallion line at Temple College. It is our latest and greatest medallion line, and what this one will be doing is making specially made candy dishes. It does have 5 stations. Station 1 is going to be our vision pick with our LMI. What it's going to do is take a very accurate image of our blank stock aluminum puck that will eventually become the lid to the candy dish. It will pick them up, place them in our little Q sensor, which will then determine based upon the voltage on the laser how far the pucks are placed from it, place it over onto the conveyor, and send it on down the line for our milling station on Station 2. Mill will do its program, robot will come out, it'll place it in our custom-made blow-off and cleaning station for our ultrasonic cleaner, send it on down farther down the line where we have our metrology station. So it will take very precise measurements to make sure that the width, thickness, the lip, every aspect of that lid is proper. Once we send it on down from Station 3, it'll move over to laser engraving and etching on Station 4 with our Gravotech laser, where we have a couple of preloaded programs, but the students can make anything that they want. They can send it on down the line to Station 5, which will be our final station for assembly.
It is a comprehensive learning experience, and it takes these individual concepts and integrates them into one incorporated manufacturing line or production line for real-world experience. And the benefit of that is that it keeps people's engagement better and students learn better when they're engaged. So it's a more effective delivery method for the information.
Well, the system is basically, it's like customized. This is something that they asked for with the metal 3D printer, and so it's a customized system. It's not like an out of the box, off the shelf type of deal.
Ever since the Root system, our community interest has tremendously improved. It really has put us on the map. When you're learning about pneumatics, you know why you're learning the thing you're learning is because the pneumatic component on this piece of equipment has to behave the way that you want it to behave, or it basically ties all these themes back together.
What makes Roots unique is that it starts with the students. So I didn't have a whole lot of robotic experience before I entered the industry. I had to learn on the job, training for stuff like that. But Roots, we're starting with the students while they're still in school, instead of learning just CAD models or Python or C# or something like that. We get hands-on experience with actual robots that you'll find in actual industry.
It takes quite a while to build things, and we've got to find the resources for this type of investment. So over time, we figured out exactly which ones they needed, and then the journey was on to figure out at that point, how can we best build the training system for the students for the future, not just for what they need right now, but for the future.
We're using technology more and more in our everyday life, and technology is advancing at a rapid speed. And I wanted to be a part of that ever-changing growth in the industry. And I think with robotics, it's really having a high impact on our society. And I thought to myself, I want to join this program because I want to be part of the automation process. Step out of your comfort zone, venture off into a new career field, because you really never know where this is going to take you, and you just never really know how far you can go.